Next this morning, we have Meiogenix, which is an AI-driven cross-crop improvement company advancing crop improvement through proprietary breeding technologies based on precise targeted recombination. The company has already achieved proof of concept in key crops such as rice, tomato, and corn. Please welcome Ricardo Garcia de Alba, CEO.
Very good. Thank you very much for that kind introduction. It's an absolute pleasure to share with you the opportunity of investing in Meiogenix today, a company that does crop improvement through proprietary breeding technologies that unlock the natural diversity of crops. Today, farmers do not have all the tools that they need to fulfill their roles of tackling sustainability, productivity, and disease resistance challenges. With today's technologies, we foresee that approximately 25% of all the genes in the major crops are unavailable. And also, that will create a major food gap towards 2050. Meiogenix can help solving this problem. Our technology allows breeders to precisely target the areas of the genome that would be otherwise locked. And with that, we're able to improve crops with the traits that are interesting for farmers and breeders while avoiding passing on to future generations traits that are negative. Our technology is based in meiosis, which is a natural process and also is the engine of genetic diversity. It is available in all organisms that reproduce sexually, like, for example, crops, tomato, corn, rice, etc. And what we do is we stimulate and target a naturally occurring protein that triggers and starts meiosis. And with that, we can have a process and an end product that is a non-GMO, also has no foreign DNA and no genomic mutations. The market that we will enable would add 20% to the already impressive $75 billion seed and trait market globally. And we would do that through giving access to positive traits and also refreshing genetic gain, which is how breeders improve yield and other characteristics in their crops. Our main competition is conventional breeding, and we're also complementary to many other technologies in the market, like, for example, gene editing that we just heard about. Our sweet spot is providing access to natural diversity, stimulating precision in recombination, breaking negative links, and at the end, because of being non-GMO and avoiding unintended genome mutations, we have a very positive regulatory profile compared to competitors or other technologies. We have been able to prove our technology in 3 main crops. We have more than 30 patents, granted, published, and filed, and we continue ramping up both our technology efficiency and the value cases that we're doing with partners, like, for example, Bayer and others. From a revenue perspective, we have over $2 million historic revenue and are currently ramping up our financial activity through joint development projects, trade licensing, and also technology licensing. We have an impressive team with over 5 centuries of experience in agriculture and science, more than 100 patents granted, and our board of directors, our board of advisors, and an executive team come from major players in the industry and also renowned academic institutions globally. Until now, we have raised $27 million in our journey, and we're asking for $17 million for our Series B. With that, we will be able to bring our first products to be ready for launch. We will be able to ramp up our revenue from both project development and also licensing. We'll be able to also have field trials with all key strategic crop groups, and finally, we'll be able to continue developing our technology. So with that, I'd like to invite you to invest with us into the future of agriculture, and I would to meet growing demands for food, fuel, feed, and fiber. And I would like to see you and invite you into our breakout room later today. Thank you very much.